Yes, so we are basically studying the role of European agencies in transboundary crisis management. So what we are trying to do in our work package is to get a sense of the role that they fulfill when the EU is facing specific crises in specific policy sectors. We have to remember that EU agencies are specialized bodies with technical capacities to inform or take decisions on how to respond to a specific challenge. So far, well, from what we have been doing, we can tell that there are important differences in the capacities of these agencies in dealing with all these crises. And from here, these technical and professional capacities that they have, we can see that there are some agencies that might be closer to a more intergovernmental dynamics in the way they respond to crisis, while there are other agencies that are closer to a supranational approach when they respond to this crisis. And this is related to basically, well, the role of the European Commission, the role of the member states in each of them. And basically, in our work package, we are we have divided it in two parts. One that is more quantitative; it's more related to the perceptions of management board members, which are the decision-making bodies within the agencies. I mean, the perception that they have on how their agencies respond to crisis. Through we are conducting a survey. We are also collecting information for a biographical database to gather all these perceptions. And the other part is a more qualitative approach. We are focusing on 4 cases that we are currently designing, doing all the research design. And these cases are first the banking crisis and the role of the European Banking Authority agency. We are also dealing with the E. coli crisis and the role of the European Food Safety Agency in 2012. We are also dealing with the recent refugee crisis and the role of Frontex, which is the border management agency. And finally, the 4th case is the Ebola crisis in 2014 and the role of the European Center of Disease Control. And so along these lines, we expect our findings to go along this supranational intergovernmental logic that I mentioned before.